I listened to you and our other forecasters because I knew today was going to be a humid day out, so I didn't bother trying to do my hair. I left it in its all natural state, and man, sitting out here at Horton Park in Cape Coral, it is definitely a humid start to the morning.
Lise, I noticed when you popped up on camera, you were rocking the Au Naturel hair, and one, looks gorgeous, by the way. Two, the best advice you could give to our viewers, because as you take a step outside, Doppler radar looking nice and clear. We do have a couple of showers out in the Gulf, nothing in the way of that morning commute. Lisa's right, though. Temperatures and humidity, they are up. So right now, 77 over in Whiskey Creek, 77 as well over in Cape Coral. Over in Sanibel, a little bit warmer already at 80 degrees. It's going to be another hot one. So if you like the weather over the weekend, that's what is in store for your Monday as well. So today we'll see a high of 92 over in Arcadia, 93 in LaBelle, 90 in Pine Island, and 94 at Ave Maria. Taking a look here at Pine Island, I do want to point out those storms going to cause a little bit of variability when it comes to the wind. So do watch out for that if you do have any outdoor plans that could be impacted by the wind. Feels like temperatures today going to be in the triple digits. Some areas could be up to 105 or even slightly higher. So by the afternoon, before that round of storms and showers, make sure you're taking plenty of breaks in the AC, drinking a lot of water. Speaking of the showers, let's time it out for you here with our predictor models. Moving through the early morning hours and your lunch hour, a mix of sun and clouds just going to be heating up. But as we get closer to that early afternoon, evening hour, you can see that easterly flow meets finally with that developing sea breeze. It's going to pin most of our storms, not all of them, just most of them, to our coastal communities. That's who could see most of the rain today. An isolated storm or two after sunset, not completely out of the question. Overnight hours are quiet. Then we do it all over again on Tuesday. Mix of sun and clouds to start off your day. By the afternoon, you could see we're going to have another round of storms and showers. Most of that going to be again for our coastal communities. And then we clear out again. Not much of a change in our extended forecast. With it being so hot out, not a bad day to get out on the boat. Your Ingman Marine boating forecast shows that wind coming out of the southeast, switching to the west at about 5 knots. Not much of a breeze out there, 2 feet or less on the seas, and the water's looking nice and smooth. Want to give you a quick check of the tropics. We are keeping our eye on a tropical wave way out in the Atlantic. Over the next 2 to 5 days, it has a 60% chance of developing. And taking a look at the models, most of them are in agreement that it will continue to move westward. We could have a possible tropical depression in the next several days, but after that, environmental factors not very conducive for it to develop further. So taking a look at our 7-day forecast today, I told you going to be a hot one. Highs close to 94 degrees. Scattered storms and showers for today. That's really the trend moving through the rest of the week due to a Bermuda high that is really going to fix that weather trend. The only thing that is really a big difference moving through the next couple of days, we'll see a slight increase in our air temperatures. You could see our highs going to be in the low 90s instead of mid 90s. Overnight lows are going to be in the mid 70s.